I've been in the online game for the past 2 years and personally invested over five figures into online courses, mentors, blah, 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 and also worked with some really big info businesses. This is how you tell if a guru is full of shit. The main thing is their proof. And the main thing inside their proof is the amount of testimonials they have from different people. That's really by far the main thing. It's not about the trust pilot. It's not about the videos. It's about how many different people do they have that they've helped succeed. Because I see it all the time where creator has like 500,000 subs and they talk about this one golden child that made 40K in 1 month. And they're like, guys, get 10K a month in 30 days, blah, 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 blah. Right. And if they have like one example that they just keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up, keep bringing it up, not trustworthy. So I would try and find someone that has multiple examples. And if they've also done it themselves, then that's even better, right? Instead of just teaching other people how to do it. Another thing is if they're in the game currently, so you don't want to get into a business model that somebody used to do like 5 years ago, because then it's just outdated information because the online world changes so quickly. It's just not a smart move. Those would be the main ways I would not get fucked over. Okay, bye.